Are you a student struggling to make ends meet, but don't have time for a regular job? Well, what if I told you that there are easy ways to earn money without clocking in a 9 to 5? Stick around, because I'm about to share with you the secrets to making money as a student, all without the stress of traditional jobs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am your name, and today we're talking about something that most students have wondered at some point. How to make money as a student without a job. I get it. Juggling schoolwork and your social life can be tough, so adding a regular job to the mix might feel impossible. But don't worry, you don't need a 9 to 5 job to start earning. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to make money right from your phone or laptop while still focusing on your studies. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, video editing, or even social media management, freelancing is a goldmine for students. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects right away. The best part, you choose when and how much you work, making it super flexible to fit around your school schedule. 2. Online tutoring. If you're an expert in a subject or just really good at explaining things, online tutoring could be a perfect side hustle. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, or even offering private tutoring via social media or word of mouth can be a great way to earn money. Plus, you get to help other students while reinforcing your own knowledge. It's a win-win. 3. Selling digital products or services. Next, let's talk about selling digital products. This could be anything from creating study guides, printable planners, or even selling your own art. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad are great places to start, and once your products are up, you can continue to make money with minimal effort. This is perfect for students who are creative or organized. For content creation, YouTube, TikTok, etc., have you ever thought about becoming a content creator? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can turn into great sources of income if you know how to grow your audience. Whether you're sharing tips, your student life, or a niche you're passionate about, the opportunities are endless. Plus, as your content grows, so does your earning potential through ads, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. 5. Surveys and testing websites. Here's a super easy way to make money by simply sharing your opinions. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and user testing pay you to take surveys or test websites and apps. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a quick and simple way to earn a little extra cash in your free time. 6. Drop shipping or print on demand. Now, this one is a bit more advanced, but if you're interested in e-commerce, drop shipping or print on demand could be worth looking into. With drop shipping, you sell products without having to handle inventory. You can create your own brand, set up an online store using Shopify or Etsy, and sell products that get shipped directly from suppliers. Print on demand is a similar concept, where you create custom designs for shirts, mugs, and other merchandise, and the company prints and ships them when someone buys. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another awesome way to make money while you're in school. What is affiliate marketing, you ask? It's simply promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique link. You can do this through blogging, social media, or YouTube. The options are endless. 8. Virtual assistants. If you're super organized and good at tasks like answering emails, scheduling, or social media management, then becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect fit. You can find VA jobs on job boards or freelance sites, and the work can be done remotely, making it super flexible for your student lifestyle. Hey, what if I told you that you could start earning over $100 every single day in just a few hours, all from the comfort of your own home? Yes, that's right, whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a little extra cash. These 5 side hustles could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Let's jump into it. Freelance writing. Earn $100 plus a day. First up, we've got freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, this could be your perfect side hustle. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are constantly looking for content creators. Whether it's writing blog posts, social media content, or product descriptions, you can easily make $100 or more a day depending on how much you take on. The best part, you don't need a degree, just a passion for writing and a willingness to learn. Pro tip, start small, build your portfolio, and increase your rates as you gain more experience. Before you know it, you'll be earning consistently. 2. Online tutoring, earn $100 plus a day next. Let's talk about online tutoring. If you're good at math, science, languages, or any subject, online tutoring could be a lucrative side hustle. Websites like VIPKID, Chegg, and Tutor.com let you set your own hours and rates. Many tutors earn $20, $50 per hour, and if you work just 2 to 5 hours a day, hitting $100 is totally possible. Pro tip, focus on subjects that are in high demand, like English for non-native speakers, test prep, or STEM subjects. 3. Dropshipping, earn $100 plus a day. Ever heard of dropshipping? It's one of the easiest ways to get into e-commerce. You sell products online without ever touching the stock. You find suppliers, create an online store, and market the products. Once someone buys, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You can set up a store on Shopify or Etsy and start making sales. Niche down your products to attract a specific audience and use ads on Instagram or Facebook to reach more customers. 4. Social media management, earn $100 plus a day. Now, if you love social media, this side hustle is for you. Social media managers are in high demand. Small businesses and influencers need help managing their online presence, creating posts, and engaging with their followers. You could easily charge $15, $50 per hour depending on your skills and experience. Pro tip, to get started, offer your services for a lower price or even for free to build your portfolio, then gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. 5. Print on demand, earn $100 plus a day. Last but not least, print on demand. This is a great way to sell custom design products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without the hassle of inventory. Websites like Printful and Teespring allow you to upload your designs, and when someone orders, they print and ship it for you. The best part, you only pay for the product after it sells, so there is minimal risk. Pro tip, focus on creating designs that reflect trends or specific niches. Use social media to promote your products to the right audience. Closing, encourage action and engagement. So there you have it, 5 amazing side hustles that can help you earn over $100 a day. The best part, you don't need to quit your day job to start these. Just dedicate a few hours a day and you'll see the money start rolling in. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below.